Just for Men Mustache Beard, Jet Black, M60, pack of 3, is beard coloring that makes getting rid of gray facial hair easy. Unlike other dyes, it restores your natural beard color, thicker and fuller look. This men's beard coloring product is easy to use. Simply mix the color base and developer, use the brush to apply, wait 5 minutes, rinse the product out, shampoo, and you're done. Be sure to read and follow the enclosed leaflet for the best results. Choose from 12 different shades ranging from blonde to jet black. When in doubt or unsure of which to choose, always go with the lighter shade. Brush included and is designed to distribute color with ease. Now formulated with biotin, aloe, and coconut oil. Up to 3 applications per box. Apply as often as needed. Every man is different, so our product is here when those gray hairs begin to grow back. Works well on any type of facial hair, beards, mustaches, soul patches, goatees. Great for touch-ups. For the best results, make sure to follow all instructions included in the package, perform a skin allergy test 48 hours before use, and always use the gloves provided to avoid staining. Just for Men Mustache and Beard hair color brings out the best in your facial hair. Facial hair looks fuller, more even and well-groomed as you get rid of the scraggly look of gray facial hairs. The fast and easy brush and gel works in 5 minutes. Your grays will be gone until they grow back. This ammonia-free formula is made specifically to penetrate and condition coarse facial hair. A closer look. Just for Men Mustache and Beard hair color contains protein, vitamin E, aloe and chamomile that nourishes your hair while you color. It leaves your facial hair looking well-groomed, conditioned and thicker after every application. Its ammonia-free formula causes no damage to your hair. Can't decide between 2 shades? Try the lighter one first. You can always go darker later. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. It works. Good product, but you have to use it on a regular basis if you are fighting the grays.